Layla's Uşak adventure, where history meets the deep canyon. Layla arrived in Uşak, the city where ancient roads meet modern speed. She hugged her grandmother, Hannah, and felt the excitement bubble up inside her. Layla had a mission: to uncover the secrets of this amazing Turkish province, famous for its history and deep canyons. Her first stop was the Uşak Archaeology Museum, where she met Emre, a local boy who knew everything about the city's past. "Welcome," Emre said, pointing to a shimmering object. "Uşak has been important since the time of the Lydians. This is the Karun treasure, one of the most priceless collections in the world." Emre explained that the Lydians were the first people to use coins. "Imagine, we are standing where money was invented." After the museum, they headed out, traveling back in time to the majestic Clandrus Bridge, built 2,500 years ago by the Phrygians. "This bridge connected two civilizations," Emre announced, resting his hand on the smooth, worn stone. "But the real adventure lies west." They packed water and headed towards the greatest natural wonder of the region, Ulubey Canyon. Ulubey Canyon is the second longest canyon in the world. Layla gasped when she first saw the incredible, vast rift slicing through the earth. Below, the Banaz River twisted like a silver snake. "It's massive," she whispered. To truly experience the canyon, Emre led them onto the thrilling glass terrace. They walked high above the void, watching eagles circle below their feet. It was the perfect spot for amazing pictures. After their dizzying adventure, they needed to rest. "Tomorrow, we focus on Uşak's famous crafts," Emre suggested. "Have you ever heard of Uşak carpets?" Layla hadn't, but Emre explained that these historical carpets were prized worldwide, even appearing in Renaissance paintings. The next morning, they visited a local workshop. They watched skilled weavers knotting thick threads into beautiful, vibrant patterns. Layla learned that traditional Uşak carpets often feature geometric designs and bold, earthy colors like deep reds and blues. "Uşak is not just about the past," Emre reminded her, leading them to the modern city center. "It's a bustling city with fantastic local flavors." They found a wonderful shop selling tarhana soup mix, a delicious, tangy dried yogurt and tomato mixture unique to the region. Layla looked at the museum brochures, the photos of the canyon, and the little bag of tarhana. Uşak was more than just history. It was adventure, art, and delicious flavors, all woven together like one of its famous carpets. Layla couldn't wait to tell everyone back home about her amazing trip.